Hey, Jen Spencer with .comsecretstour.com. I'm recently learning more about how to blog online and creating a blog for our business. Now, I wanted to give you 3 quick and easy ways that you can help engage your readers, because that's what blogging is all about. It is communicating. It is engaging with readers. It is not just you going out there and one-sided typing out whatever you want, but you want to engage people. You want them to come back to your blog, and you want to be part of a dialogue with your potential customers and with other people in your market. So here goes. First of all, the most important thing is that you need to ask questions. All of your blogs should not just be your opinion with no questions asked, because obviously everyone has different ideas and there's not one correct way to do anything. So make sure that you're always asking questions, and especially make sure you end your blog post with a question, which encourages people to respond with a comment. So now the second tip, when someone responds with a comment in your blog entry, make sure you go back and write a response to them right away. Even if it's just a thank you for your comment or something basic, make sure you get on there and respond so they know that they are taking part in a dialogue with you. That is very important. And the third quick tip for tonight, make sure that when people are commenting on your blog, you're also checking out their links and going back to their blogs and their websites and making comments where appropriate. Again, this is going to continue to help you to dialogue and to build relationships, which is what online marketing is all about, building relationships. So I hope these 3 quick tips are something that you can take away right now and start doing to increase the dialogue between you and your readers and really help engage your blog readers. Again, this is Jen Spencer with .comsecretstour.com.